Khulumbaikha joto takhukte bukhuksong tai lamsogo ani o channelo faidi chengtini naline Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare ni hoite kaisa ketal notification faimani obo Government of Tripura ni no jara BSc Agriculture haike BSc Horticulture ti khaijak bongni bagi on notification faidi cheng nalen naine hangke cheng boni website or thangi manaine boni website ni address engkha agri.tripura.gov.in thangmani pore boni o website open nai just kisa scroll down khaidi tolo kaisa nugi mano watch new no notification faijak naidi memorandum regarding setting up village level soil testing project obono click khadi pura notification naine ni bagai nugi mano takukte bukuksong applications are invited from BSc Agri haike BSc Horti unemployed rural youth for setting up village level soil testing project at Rajnagar, Bogafa, Sachand and Rupaisuri block area, one at each block under the scheme Soil Health Management. Takukte bukuksong obongkha village level soil testing project ni bagai borok nangai tongo Rajnagar, Bogafa, Sachan tai Rupaisuri block ni bagai joto block no masha ke borok nangnai nugimano jara BSc Agri tai BSc Horticulture tai jara porijak borok simino oboni bagai apply khaimanai. Interested candidate may collect application forms etc from the office of Deputy Director of Agriculture, South Tripura District and also in departmental website obongkha bongni website ni address takukte bukuksong norok jodi obonotoi interest tongkhanke bongni application form fill up khai bongni office submit ma khainai hoytoba bongni application form norok bongni office thangai naimano haikeba o jaga bo tongo norok orani hoite pono obono download khai print out naimano. The applicant should preferably be an inhabitant of that block for which he apply for BLSTP. The applicant's age should be in between 18 to 40 years. Takukte bukuksong jara obon bagai apply khainai boni age ena nangnai minimum 18 tai maximum ka 40 years. The applicant should have his her own building for establishment of BLSTP or a rental building with lease agreement at least for 4 years. Takukte bukuksong jara obonotoi jara interested nanai borok tam khainai hoiteba boni je elaka boni nijini owned building tonanai haikebe norok rental mananai building at least 4 years simbagai. The selected candidate has to submit a bond to run the laboratory at least for 4 years. Takukte bukuksong tai norok bond submit ma khainai je norok laboratory chalna bagai at least 4 years simbagai. The selected candidate will have to bear the 25% of the total project cost rupees 1.25 lakhs and rest 75% will meet up from the schematic provision. Takukte bukuksong norok o je project no changlo ngake noni yagni hoite 25% norok marnai tai 75% borni o department hoite reject nai. The application forms and other terms and conditions are available in the office of the Deputy Director of Agriculture of the district in between 11 am to 4 pm 10 September 2021. Takukte bukuksong norok jodi obnoti interest tokhanke bongni je office thangai norok songai mano tam khainai khaya jora rejakha 11 am ni simi 4 pm jora 10 September 2021. faidi chengboni application form bo kisa nalen village level soil testing project 8 norok bo block ni bagi norok interest tong obo norok ojega masine norok to nugi manka ojega 4ta block ni tongo Rajnagar Bogafa Satchantai Rupaisari block ojega je noni block ni mung masine aporani ni bumung tai ni fathers haike husband ni mung tai address of communication permanent address contact number email id ani ni date of birth nationality other number tai ojega ni photo tai obongkhani ni educational qualification nangnai name of the examination je noni madhyamik 12 degree board haike university year of passing busuk cgp tongmani percentage tai jodi computer proficiency tai whether sc haike st working experience tongka mention khaidi tai location of vlstp to be set up jonong nije location abo mention khaidi tai norok mention khaidi je oboni ni own building da haike ba rental nawide khainani tai nini bank account number PAN number tai obong khanung ni declaration tai oroni ni full signature marnai kaisa jaga note tongo faidinalen please attach xerox copy of testimonials and building lease agreement for 4 years in case of rental and bond for 4 years to run the laboratory on the non-judicial stamp of ₹20 takukte bukuk song o application logi noni documents rok xerox copy marnai tai jodi norok je building rental na kha abo je noni at least 4 years ni je agreement namani abo marnai tai norok bond bo samin ma khainai 4 years ni bagai je norok laboratory run khaini ni bagai non judicial stamp rangnai ₹20 ni takukte bukuk song oboni bagai ashagno norok jodi interest thokangke ba apply khamano jorani bisingo belekena hambai o video ne bagai khulumbakia